Welcome back. Situation at Wagator turned tense on Monday morning. GTDC demolished almost 30 kiosks. GTDC officials claim vendors had illegally occupied GTDC's land, whereas vendors claim that they paid rent to the GTDC. Vendors were furious over sudden action by the GTDC and also tried to stop the bulldozing of stalls. Some were also detained by Anjuna police. Police force and government machinery at the site managed to clear the crowd and demolish nearly 30 gadas.
बायलांक चान्स त्यांचे पैसे मेळटा आमच्या लोकांक काढून भायर उडोवपाचे आणि त्यांच्या पोटार हे दवरपाचे
डायरेक्ट मोडून येयला सांगून 8 दीस तरी तेंच्यानी हे दिवचे असले रे ऑर्डर तरी दिवची असले माझ्या गाड्याक जाली आता 20 वर्सां हांगा बसले हांगासर.
The GTDC had ordered demolition.
Unauthorized people has occupied the place of GTDC. So I have got a order and accordingly I am acting on it. That's all. We are around 25 to 30, approximately.
Joint Mamladar Isha Sawant was on the spot to execute the orders.
I am just here for law and order. Illegal stall बसले हांगा ते काडपाचे आशिल्ले. So accordingly काडपाक आमचे squad along with police force आमी आयले. Morning there were some people who were causing some obstruction in execution of this. So I have already taken 8 people in custody.
Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent. Salgaocar Football Club finally managed to beat Sporting Clube de Goa to bring a smile on their coach Derrick Pereira's face on Sunday evening. This 2-0 victory was also the first of their I-League triumphs this season. On the other hand, Sporting coach Mathew da Costa is worried about his club's poor finishing skills.
Very happy, first of all, getting 3 points against a team that everybody was talking that we hardly, we don't beat them, and broke the jinx, I suppose. It was a hard-fought victory. Our defense played well, including the goalkeeper made some very good saves. Subrata came at the right time whenever he was needed to help the team. He was there. As usual, going forward, we knew that we would struggle, but today was much better. Created 2-3 chances in the first half. I think Estlin missed a sitter, could have just stepped in. He missed one. Also another 2 Jairu could have taken up. We could have done better in finishing.
Well, I think we were the better side, especially in the second half. But then things didn't go our way. We had to score the simple goals. We would have changed the complexion of it.
You had so many good chances.
That's what I'm saying. So that is another thing. Reflect on the last few matches also. The way we played today, only the thing, that is the only thing what we can take as a positive one.
But football is ultimately
Scoring goals.
scoring goals.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.